Selamat datang, food lovers, and welcome to the Quarantine Kitchen. We're starting off with a pretty simple dish, but it's going to be in 2 stages. So what we're going to make for you today is Sambal Matah, Bali's iconic sambal, but we're going to mix in a little bit of salted egg, which is actually quite common in the Tabanan region. So first, we're going to make salted egg. To make telur asin, we're using really beautiful duck eggs. That's your classic egg for salted egg. First, we have to prepare the solution that we will soak the duck eggs in. It's simple. What we have here is half a litre of water and 250 grams of salt. So we're going to let that dissolve, and then after that we will add 5 duck eggs. So the water is now cool enough to handle. You can see that the salt has dissolved. Now we're adding 5 duck eggs. In they go. So that's it. So we're going to transfer that to a nice glass jar. And we're going to put it in a dark place, maybe with a towel over the top, and just leave that for 3 weeks. And after 3 weeks, you've got beautiful salted duck eggs. And this is something I make every week, so we kind of have this rotation of beautiful salted eggs in the house all the time. Very easy and really delicious. So now we're making our salted egg Sambal Matah. So we've got our lovely preserved salted eggs. I'm going to take them out of the shell, like that. Great for compost. Smash it up and mix it with the compost. And look at these, you've got a lovely double egg thing happening here. Double yolk. Good luck. So, tossing it out of there. We'll take a few more. Like that. So we're just going to chop up the salted eggs. And they add such an interesting texture to whatever you cook or serve. Of course, across Indonesia it's very common just to have salted eggs with your nasi campur. So now we're continuing with the Sambal Matah. So let's have a look at the ingredients. Here we have the red shallots. We have mild chili and some middle strength chili, but it won't be too hot. You can add more if you love it. And then shredded lime leaves. Lime fruit, kaffir lime, and then we have roasted shrimp paste. And so you can see it's being char grilled over a flame, so that contact with the naked flame helps to kill off a bit of the strong smell, and it also gives it more of that umami, deeper flavour. We have lots of torched ginger here, the bud, the shoot, and lemongrass. Okay, so you already know it's going to be a really beautifully fragrant sambal. So we start off with the red shallots. Now remember that raw onion can be a little bit bitter, quite strong in flavour. So I'm going to work the salt into the red shallots first. And again, that's going to kill the bitterness. Sort of tenderize the red shallots and just make it more delicious. Because for some people eating raw onion, it's just a bit too hard to digest. So this is just a little trick to bring out the flavour without leaving it with that bitter residue. And you can see the liquid coming out of the onion. But I'm actually going to just add a little bit of water and strain it off. Okay, so now if you're not in Indonesia and you can't find these red shallots, you of course can use the larger onions, what we call here bawang bombay, just your regular brown onions. And this is actually a necessary step because otherwise, for me, the onion is too strong. So now I'm just left with the lovely tender red shallots. So in go the other ingredients. We're adding the chili, all that beautiful torched ginger, both the flower, the buds, and the shoot, and the lemongrass, We have lime there, lime leaves, and a lovely roasted shrimp paste. So again, I'm adding a little bit of salt now that I've washed out all the other salt, and I'm going to mix the salt into the shrimp paste, the terasi. So mix it all together. So this is one of those things, I'm afraid, you have to get in with your hand and mix and bruise together, because this cannot be done with a spoon or anything else basically. You have to get in there with your hands and mix and press and bruise. And then I'll squeeze the lime into that as well. So what we want is something highly aromatic, a little bit spicy, colourful, and delicious. So I'm adding a little bit of coconut oil. Of course you can use a plain vegetable oil. Some Balinese actually like to heat up the oil and pour it over, but this is just plain oil. So just think of it as a salad, a chili salad. And of course the oil helps you digest the sambal. It also helps the flavour and develops the fragrances and takes it really to another level. So we need oil in our food. Okay, so that's your lovely sambal. Now you can eat it like that. It's pretty fantastic with grilled fish, etc. But we're going to add our salted egg. Here we go. And mix it together. Wow, look at that. Wouldn't that be gorgeous in my sourdough bread? Yum, so delicious. Or in a baguette. Yum, 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 yum. There we go. How gorgeous is that? I mean, it's quite extraordinary that in Tabanan, just across the river, they're making something that we actually never eat in Ubud. I mean, salted eggs with Sambal Matah. Fantastic. Okay, let's have a taste. You can see I'm trying to get as much as I can on the spoon because I'm crazy about salted eggs. You know, the salted egg kind of softens the intensity of the sambal, kind of marries it. It's really fantastic. Thank you for joining today's Quarantine Kitchen. Make sure you subscribe to our Ubud Food Festival YouTube channel. Tell us your thoughts, comments, what you'd like to learn, and we look forward to seeing you again. Bye.